Hi everyone! This video will be the last about the remaking of all jeans, the light ones. After this, and this, I have only the scraps. Honestly, it looks like a challenge and I'm taking it. Let's create. I decided to go the easy way, the layout way of constructing the buttons. For this I used paper tape. I taped it to myself and drew the desired shape with a marker. I transfer it to paper. Note that it is necessary to add allowances of 1 cm on each side, as all parts will be double, and proceed to cutting. I take my denim pocket and rip all unnecessary elements. There was a small pocket in which used to wear a watch. Now I try to fit all my details in this small part of denim. There is enough space, but I still need to think about the allowances. It is more convenient to put them on paper, of course. But I didn't do it. Cutting. Each part needs 2 pieces of denim and 2 pieces of lining. I use the pocket sacks. They are made of cotton. I make a straight stitch on the side edges and look, I pulled the lining about 3-4 mm outside, so that the white lining doesn't look out from the face side. Connect all the seam allowances to the lining piece with straight stitch. Trim the seam allowances, matching them. Do the top stitching on the face side. It is not necessary, I just like how it looks. I use this magnetic device. Stitch the cups. I put the lining and the main material face to face, make 2 stitches, turn it out and iron it. To keep the seam allowances from moving around inside the cups, I sew the base piece to the lining piece in the center. You can do a seam and seam stitch, so it's not visible, but I want it to be visible. So I'll stitch the wall side. It looks cool. Let's get to the waistband. I take the belt from jeans and cut off the unnecessary part. It is big for me. I want to make a clasp on the side, and in the center I want to make an angle of 120 or 50 degrees, so I cut off triangles from the ends of the belt. I wanted to extend my cups to the top, so that they would go behind the back and become a strap. I will sew in 2 stages so that the upper part gently around the bottom. If you sew only 1 stitch, the inner part may shift a little in the process. I make top stitching on the straps as on the side of the cups, as if to continue these lines. I take half rings. These are handbag fittings, and I sew them with a zigzag. I work with the lower side part of the cup with binding. I used it before as lacing on my corset. Now I take my waistband and insert 1 cm of the cup details inside it, sew with a straight stitch from the beginning to the middle, up to the deepest point of the cup. I sew the whole length of the waistband at once. I insert the half rings here too. I decided to use rubber bands for a more comfortable adjustment. 2 zigzags, because the area is very important. This is the adjuster for the straps themselves, and The system is ready. I can adjust the length of the straps and the amount of breast support. It is a very comfortable system. The cutouts are super sexy under the breasts, and everything is super comfortable and wearable. A top like this can be modeled from a triangle bralette if you draw that rounded arc under the breast of the side. I'm sure you can do it at all. If not, ask questions in the comments. See you in the next videos. Bye!